Hi, and welcome to healthandfitnessgurus.com. This is your gateway to the internet's hottest and greatest health and fitness ebook. This is your central one-stop shop for everything you need to know about health and fitness. There's no need to search for health and fitness information on search engines anymore. Our site contains authoritative and up-to-date information for your well-being. Take a look at the menu on the left. Everything from men's health, women's health, mental health, beauty, dental care, sleep, exercise, and even spiritual health are right at your fingertips. Each ebook has a clear title with a description, and you can see the book cover along with a link for more in-depth information. You can also get to enjoy low online prices, and the ebooks are available immediately for download to read right on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our priority notification list, where you can be the first ones to know all about our new products and services. This is a site that will help make you become healthier, stronger, sleep better, be more spiritual, and much, much more. Look around our site and start your journey to a healthier you today.